Welcome to Super Simple Saupe. We make super simple things for busy families like us. Today I'll be making a banana mug cake. This is so easy. My mom makes it for breakfast and it is so good. So let's start. First you mash your banana. It can be a small banana or half of a big banana. We are going to be using a small egg. See the difference? It's smaller than the larger egg. If you don't have a small egg like a quail's egg, then you can use a larger egg. Just only use the egg white. Next, you can put your flour into your mug, or you can put it into your bowl so you won't spill. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add your tiny slimy egg. Then mix it all together. Then add 1/4 cup of milk. Then mix it all together. Then add your oil. It looked like a sinkhole. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix it again. Then you add your mushy bananas. Then you mix it. This smells so good. Then microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. The banana cake is done. You could test it with a toothpick to see if it's ready. See, it's dry. You can put bananas on top to make it look nice. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Thank you for watching Super Simple Saupe. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!